Have you ever looked at the market and wondered, why is the price really moving? Not just the candles, not just the patterns, but the actual force behind every bullish run. Today, I'm going to show you something powerful: how fundamental analysis connects directly to the market index, and how understanding this can completely change the way you trade. Now, first off, fundamental analysis is the study of economic strength, which answers one key question, which is this currency, asset, or economy weak or strong? Now, what determines the strength of the currency, asset, or economy? Things such as interest rates, inflation, employment data, GDP growth, and central bank decisions are the factors that influence the or that determine the strength of these economy, currency, or assets. They aren't just news headlines, but they are the major engines that drive the market. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most traders hear this and think, okay, so I should start following the news. But the issue is, news is too fast, too scattered, and oftentimes confusing. So, how do smart traders now simplify this? They use something called the market index. Think of it as a mirror of strength. So instead of tracking one pair like the Euro USD or GBP USD, the index shows you the overall strength of the currency. For example, if the dollar index is rising, it tells you one thing clearly, which is the US dollar is gaining strength across the board. And when the dollar is strong, pairs such as Euro USD will likely go down. Now, let's connect the dots here. Fundamental analysis tells you why the market should move, and the market index tells you what is actually happening. Right there is the powerful link between both. Let's imagine this scenario. Say the central bank increases interest rates. What does that mean? Investors at this point now are attracted to that currency because they would get better returns from it. Demand naturally starts to increase and the currency eventually strengthens. Now, instead of guessing how different pairs will react, you check the market index and you see it rising. That is confirmation. Now, you aren't just trading blindly, but you're rather trading with clarity and direction at this point. Now, this right here is where most traders actually get it wrong. They rely on indicators, patterns, and signals, but ignore the actual reason behind the move and end up getting caught in false entries. As I said earlier, when you combine the course, which is the fundamental analysis, and the confirmation, which is the market index, you have a complete view of the market. I'll break it down into 3 steps. 1. Identify the fundamental bias. Is the economy strong or weak? 2. Confirm with the market index. Is it trading up or down? 3. Align with currency pairs. Trade in the direction of strength versus weakness. Say, for example, if the dollar is strong and the euro is weak, you don't have to overthink it at this point because you already know a high probability move in this instance because the euro USD is likely to drop. This is exactly how professional traders think. They don't chase the market, rather, they follow the flow of money. And here is one thing they wouldn't actually tell you, one truth they wouldn't tell you. The market doesn't move randomly. It actually moves based on economic reality. And the market index is your window into that reality. So the next time you open your chart, don't just look at the price. Ask yourself, what is the fundamental story? Which currency is strong? What is the market index showing me? Because when you understand that, you stop guessing. You start trading with purpose. If you want to master this approach and see real results, join my Telegram channel by clicking on the link in the description so I can guide you step by step through the process. Bear in mind though, fundamentals tell the story, the market index reveals the truth, and when you combine both, you gain the edge most traders never will. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Until then, happy trading!